In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lead form in ZOHO CRM. This process is straightforward and will help you efficiently collect and manage leads seamlessly within your CRM. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First off, open your ZOHO CRM and navigate to the home page. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the setup icon, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will take you to the Setup menu where you can manage various settings for your CRM. Next, within the Setup menu, find and click on Channels. This section allows you to manage different channels through which your CRM can interact with the outside world. Among these options, you'll see something called Web Forms. Click on Web Forms to access all the tools you need for creating and managing your lead forms. Now you should see a New Form button. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you begin designing your lead form. The first thing you'll need to do is name your form. Make sure you choose a name that clearly indicates the form's purpose. This will be helpful later on when managing multiple forms. After naming your form, you'll need to choose a module. For most lead capturing purposes, you'll likely choose the Leads module. Selecting the correct module ensures that the information you collect with this form goes to the right place in your CRM. Once you've selected your module, click on Create. This action brings you to the form customization screen. Here, focus on the Layout section. The layout dictates how your form will appear to users. You'll want to design a clear and intuitive layout that encourages visitors to complete the form without confusion. Make use of headings, instructions, and logical flow to guide the user. Following the layout, shift your focus to the Fields section. This part is vital because it determines what information you'll collect from your leads. Drag and drop the fields you need from the list of available fields, such as name, email, or phone number. You can customize these fields to be mandatory, optional, or provide tooltips to assist users. Once you're satisfied with the layout and fields, click on Next. This step brings you to the form's additional settings, where you'll input the location URL where this form will be used or embedded. Be sure this URL is accurate to avoid any confusion when deploying your form. Finally, when everything looks good, click on Save. This action saves your newly created lead form within ZOHO CRM, ready for integration onto your website or other platforms where you'll capture leads. And there you have it. You've successfully created a lead form in ZOHO CRM. With this setup, you can now begin collecting valuable lead information efficiently. Remember, a well-designed form makes it easy for users to fill out and for you to gather the data you need. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.